so
Ideal weather conditions for football here in West London. We're at Stamford Bridge. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me here on the commentary box is Lee Dixon. And it's all about action from the Premier League in this case. It is Chelsea up against Arsenal.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. I'm just hoping we get a nice, quick tempo from the start of this game. Both teams do like to get forward, both positive in their approach in the game, so we should be in for some entertainment.
Always difficult to predict in advance who might decide a game, but you could make a strong case for this man. Lee, what are you anticipating seeing from him?
He's on the ball all the time, and his ability on the ball is absolutely phenomenal. He doesn't pass the ball away, he lends it to his teammates because he wants it back. Very difficult to get the ball off him.
And this is how it looks for Chelsea. Kepa begins in goal. N'Golo Kanté starts alongside Jorginho in the centre of midfield. And the starting role in attack today is handed to Timo Werner. Here are the starters for Arsenal. Bernd Leno stands between the posts. Thomas Partey starts with Granit Xhaka in the centre of the pitch. And the starting striker today is Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. And the fans settling into their seats here at Stamford Bridge. We're underway. Reece James. Jorginho. Chilwell. And Havertz. Couldn't keep the ball. Partey. Jorginho. And Havertz. Havertz, he's played it over to the near post, and nothing positive comes of it, unfortunately. Terrific block there. Can he put them ahead? In it goes, an early goal. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, it is good play. You might question the defending, but I prefer to be positive. Really good build-up and an easy finish.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. Oh, big chance! Clean through he was then. But he's fluffed his lines, Lee.
Well, he just put his head down, Derek, and hit it. He's got to do better than that.
Kanté. Here's Mount. Jorginho. Now with Havertz. Jorginho. Werner. Well-timed tackle. But a shocking pass, really. Kanté. Oh, he's given the ball away. And Aubameyang in control of the ball in that advanced position. And taken cleanly by the goalkeeper. And the keeper not thinking it through. And dispossessed. Wonderfully weighted pass. Havertz. Now can Chelsea use this corner to add to their advantage? Corner kick played in. Werner, can he put it in? Must be! It looked as though he was going to score, but last-ditch defending is something you know about, Lee.
Yeah, he was hassled, it made him hurry his shot, and it's close.
Kai Havertz. Werner. Poor pass under no real pressure. Well, they are on the wrong end of the scoreline. But Lee, your overall thoughts on their current situation?
Well, I have to say, 6 out of 10 for Arsenal so far. They've been the nearly team. It's really close. Just be a bit more aggressive in midfield. Get the ball into wide areas a little bit more and try and stretch the opposition.
And the counter looks on here. Options available. Can they take advantage of the situation? Well, not to be. And danger still. And turned out of play, so it will be a throw-in. Now, shall not pass was the message delivered. What about the opportunity from earlier? Let's have another look now, shall we? And he's fired over the corner. Well, I think it's fair to say the pressure from the defender put him off a bit. Thomas. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. An encouraging Arsenal move. And Aubameyang in the centre. Just couldn't capitalise there. And so the first half draws to a close here in West London. What a lot to like about Kai Havertz and what he put into the first half. Lee, your thoughts?
Well, Derek, you're right. He has played well and goals win.
Back underway with Arsenal trying to find a route back into the match. Martin Ødegaard. Mount. Well, nothing comes of the attack when all is said and done. And there to intervene. Jorginho. What can Chelsea do from this position? And slipped through beautifully. Well cleared away. Well, there might well be scope for them to counter-attack here. Extremely sloppy in possession. Kai Havertz. Well, sitting deep like this might be a dangerous game. Great pressure to win the ball back. Conte. Cuts it back. It's in! They're looking really relaxed and confident and not giving the opposition much of a look in.
Well, here it is again. Lovely disguise on the cross. The pullback catches out the defenders. And then from there, the keeper had little chance. 2-on-1, left completely exposed. And it made for a simple finish in the end.
So 2-0 now. And 30 minutes left for play in this match. Thomas. It's with Ødegaard. Going about his defensive business with a minimum of fuss.
Chelsea enjoying the bulk of possession here, and all of their team are enjoying this performance. That's why they're winning, and that's why they're one of the best teams.
Conte. Timo Werner. Conte. And Mount. Good use of the ball, but can they trouble the defence? Havertz. In position. A goal! They're absolutely racing away with this. 3 to the good now.
Well, here it is again. One phrase springs to mind, tiki-taka. How good is this? The opposition can get nowhere near them. It's a great team goal.
So the action underway again, and it's turning into a trouncing with Chelsea holding all the aces.
Number 5, Jorginho. Coming onto the pitch, number 17, Mateo Kovacic.
N'Golo Conte. Werner with it now. Kovacic. And Kai Havertz. Here's Kovacic. Kai Havertz, and thwarting his opponent in the nick of time. David Luiz. Now Bellerin. Granit Xhaka. Useful looking ball. Can he make it count? Played towards the back post. A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, here's the replay, Derek. I love a ball into the box, you know that. It's a beauty. And finishing like that with a lovely headed goal is absolutely superb.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Untidy on the ball. Chilwell. Here's Kovacic. And 5 minutes to go. Conte. Well, he's got plenty of space on the flank here. And played towards the near post. And he did what he had to do defensively. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, and breaking at pace with menace. Well, it fizzled out. Well, if you're wondering about added time, 2 minutes it'll be. Timo Werner. And Mount. And slipped through beautifully. So the final whistle, and what we can say officially now is that Chelsea have picked up maximum points from this fixture. Lee, your thoughts?
Well, being potent up front gives you a great chance in any game, and they were certainly that today. Sharp, clinical, and exciting to watch for sure.
Well, he is a player with the capacity to enthrall Timo Werner. Lee, let's get your assessment as regards his performance in this game.
Well, clearly the difference between the two sides today. 2 goals, a really good performance, ran into the channel, did everything right. Absolutely, 9 out of 10.